Hello everyone, we will try to learn Verilog. So basically for that easier tool and widely used tool is a Vivado, because at the beginner stage FPGA based design only we will learn. Okay, so for that Vivado is more than sufficient for us. So previously it is known as Xilinx Vivado, now AMD acquired Xilinx, now we are calling it as AMD Vivado. And now we will see that once we search in Google we will get this link. We don't have to worry about it, we can just click on this one, we will reach to this point. Now we will press download. Now we will to reach to this point once we select this guy. Okay, because currently I am training on the Windows, so Windows would be fine. Yeah, other things are not required. Then once we press download, it won't start downloading. We have to fill this form with our email and password. We have if you don't have an account, create an account. It won't be much of a time. Then once we download it, it will be saved into our location. Then what we will do is we will execute it with yes. Yeah, we have to allow it. And now for these things there is nothing to worry about, we can just go ahead with next. We have to log in into it, okay, with our email and password. If we enter our email and password, we have to press next. Okay, now I have entered my ID password and press next. Now we have to select the option of Vivado. Okay, we don't need VTS embedded development boot gen. If we are going ahead with advanced, this should be fine for an beginner level. Okay, even very pro level also, if you are there, Vivado is more than sufficient for us. We will go with the standard edition. We will save our memory, PC memory, and in this one there is nothing to worry about. We can just select RTX FPGA for future reference. If you are buying some RTX board and making some videos future, that's why I've kept it here. And I don't think so ultra scale all are affordable for a beginner, or it's for organizations only. For us this is more than sufficient. We will now go with I agree, I agree, I agree, I agree, I agree, and I agree. Okay, now we will go next. So now what it is expecting is it requires a 17.21 size memory space, and it will take 62.87 GB. Okay, we don't I have already installed, that's why I'm not taking these options. Okay, if you have any problem let me know. This is all, we have to nothing to worry about it here. Okay, thank you.